So it's day 8 at the end of the day. So we got a late start to the day because we're just really tired. Plus, the night before, we tried to do laundry and we're like, oh, it's only going to take an hour. And it taking like probably 3 hours.
Yes.
Yeah.
Crazy adventure with that.
Yeah, so basically, we didn't go to bed till like past 2 and before. So we ended up sleeping in, which is okay. So we went to the Tate Modern. It was disappointing. It was like probably one of the first things that we really didn't like. It's just we're not modern art people, and
Yeah.
but we heard there was like other stuff there. There was like a couple things we liked, and but it just wasn't for us. So spent about half an hour, 45 minutes there, and left. But on the plus side, the rest of the day was amazing. We kind of just explored around. We went to different pubs. Ended up down by the water, and yeah, it was kind of a really just fun day.
We ended up getting a couple mulled wines, which we always kind of joke about when it's cold that it would be great to have mulled wine because we really only do that at the Dickens Fair. So we didn't know it was actually a thing.
Yeah, and we found it down by the water, which was kind of nice.
And
Yeah.
then there was a live performer, and she was fantastic. And we just kind of had this crazy realization. We took a video, so maybe we'll put that in here too. But it was just so nice just standing by the water, just realizing that we were actually doing this vacation that we've been planning
Yeah.
for so long. And it was just nice. Like the day didn't quite go as planned, but it ended up being even better, I think.
How close it is?
Hi guys, so we just wanted to make a short video. I know it's a little bit dark, but this moment is so magical. We kind of felt we needed to kind of capture it. Like right now we're on the water, which is like one of my favorite places to be, with these twinkle lights and live music. Just while we were walking along trying to find some pictures to take, so.
Right, and it's somehow like we're in a spot where it's super calm with the wind. It's just peaceful.
Not too
And
cold.
it's so hard to explain, but it's amazing.
Yeah, we just kind of had this realization, like, how is this our life? Like, how lucky are we? And it was just kind of like one of those moments, like, I just wanted to kind of capture it for a second. And obviously there's no words or anything you could say to actually like capture it, but if we could put down on camera what we were feeling right now, this is probably the best we could do. So
Right. It's really nice. Yeah.
amazing.
No words can explain. Video doesn't help. It's just so nice. Just so we
wanted
remember.
to capture a tiny bit. So we'll talk to you later.
Yeah. Bye. It was just nice. It was nice. No big things necessarily, but it was just, I really enjoyed it. Yeah. Yep. So we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, bye.
Tomorrow.